Today, on the Roadside Gourmet, we're making Campfire Rotisserie duck with a rum and berry glaze. Let's go. We're gonna need lemon and fresh herbs for our duck. And the glaze is berries, rum, sugar, and apple cider vinegar. Now let's get those lemons into the cavity of the duck, and also all those herbs. Now, duck is a very fatty meat, so we want to cut some slits in it so that fat can render out over the fire. We're going to season with a little bit of basil-infused salt that I just happen to have in the pantry. We don't want to add too much, just a little bit of salt. Now let's get a fire going. And we're going to get that duck onto the spit. Now, watch your fingers, those tines are sharp. Now we're going to truss it up with a little bit of kitchen twine. We don't want those legs and wings flopping around, throwing off the balance of the spit. Now let's turn her over and get those wings trussed in. I think this bird's ready for the fire. Now this cook's gonna take a little bit of patience, just time and turning. Now let's make our sauce. We're gonna truss it over those coals. And let's melt down some butter. We'll add in the apple cider vinegar and our berries. Now I toss those into a food processor for a quick little whiz bang. Now let's give that a stir about. Let's add in that beautiful dark rum and a couple tablespoons of sugar. Now we're just gonna let that cook down until it's a nice thick glaze. And we'll just spoon it right over that duck. Now, if you like what we're doing here, please hit that like button, hit the little bell so you know when we put up a new video, and leave a comment. Let me know what else you'd like to see me cook. And do us all a favor, share it with everybody you've ever met. And now we turn and baste, turn and baste. We want to get this to an internal temperature of about 145 to 150 degrees. And once we hit that, it's ready. Find the full recipe at www.roadsidegourmet.ca. Oh man, that's good.